I'm Travis, and this is how I do things. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I make a box joint box, but it's not going to be just any old box joint box. It's got a little bit of a twist, so stick around and see what that twist is. Also, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. It's easy for you to do, but it helps me out a lot. The first thing we're going to need to do is make the frame, and that means cutting it to size and making some box joints. I really like the way my frame pieces fit together, but before I glue it up, I'm going to make some little pieces that go in the corner to help keep the box square, but they're also going to have another function that you'll see later. On a side note, if you see any products that I'm using in this video that you like, check out the links in my description. Now let's go ahead and assemble this frame. When installing the corner supports, I used a piece of material the same thickness as the lid as a spacer. Okay, while this guy's drying up, I'm gonna make the piece that goes inside of this. I'm not gonna tell you exactly what it is, I'm just gonna build it and show you. By now you guys must know the twist. This box doesn't open like a normal box. It actually opens up. So now that we've got it all done, let's go ahead and put some finishing details on it. Thank you for watching my entire video, guys. If you like this concept or want a bigger box, you can obviously scale it up. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, like, and comment so I can keep doing what I do. See ya!